We're on the record in cause number 322-248. Case is style the state of Texas versus Kenneth Wayne Thibodeau Jr. Mr. Thibodeau, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Thibodeau?
I'm doing straight.
You doing good? Mr. Thibodeau, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Ryan Matuska. Mr. Matuska, how are you doing?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Mr. Matuska, your case is set on the trial docket, and because of our COVID protocols, actually, our trials that we was actually going on was set on Monday. You like to keep this case on the trial docket?
Your Honor, we have reached an agreement.
Oh, you have?
We're gonna do a JP reduction.
Oh, okay.
So however you want to set that, but Mr. Thibodeau plans on paying that within 30 days.
Okay, so we can reset it for 30 days. Just hold on
Yes, sir.
for your reset. Oh, you couldn't hear?
I heard some 30 days, but it seems like I heard you.
It's- Okay, it's a JP reduction on Kenneth Wayne Thibodeau Jr. They want to reset for 30 days.
I do 6-2 and I will be dismissed by then.
Okay, it'll be reset for June the 2nd of 2021. Mr. Matuska, you get your reset, and Mr. Thibodeau, once your attorney gets your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. You could just go have a seat back out there in the gallery. We're on the record in cause number 319900. The case is style of state of Texas versus Brian Davis. Bless you. We're on the record in cause number 319900, state of Texas versus Brian Keith Davis. Mr. Davis, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Davis?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Davis, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Ryan Matuska. Mr. Matuska, do you have an announcement you'd like to make on Mr. Davis's case?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. Your Honor, we have received some of the discovery, but we're still waiting on 3 DVDs. So we would ask the court if we could have one more announcement reset for that.
And how much time do you need?
30, 45 days.
Okay, we give him 45.
You want to take it off the trial docket and put it?
No, it's on the announcement docket. Brian Davis.
Oh, I'm sorry. 6-2.
Okay, to be reset to June 2nd of 2021. Mr. Davis, your attorney will get you reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Matuska, this will conclude your cases. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go as well.
Yes,
And
sir,
you
Your
have a
Honor.
blessed day.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay. Do we have a,
Hey, Ron.
Judge, Marquis O'Neill. Page 2 of the next packet.
Okay. You're on a record in class number 323788. The case is style of State of Texas versus Marquis T. O'Neill. We have Mr. O'Neill appearing on Zoom. Mr. O'Neill, is that your full name, Marquis T. O'Neill? Mr. O'Neill, can you hear me? Mr. LeBlanc, can you hear
Yes.
me?
I can hear you, Judge.
Mr. LeBlanc, is that your client?
Yes, it says Keys, Kese.
Yeah, that's his, but on the docket, it has Marquis O'Neill.
Yes, that's, I've
Can-
spoken to him on the phone. That's him, I believe, Judge.
But we can't hear? You don't have, Mr. O'Neill, can you hear me?
Judge, it doesn't look like you can hear. If you'll allow me to call him real quick.
Okay.
Okay.
He's not connected with audio. His mic's not even connected.
Judge,
Yes,
he says he can't hear. And I don't know how to tell him to unmute everyone else, but he said he can't hear.
you can't, okay, he just can see us, he can't hear. Let's do this.
I can call him and put him on speakerphone on mine.
Yeah, that's fine, you can do that. Is this his only case?
I believe so.
Okay.
She added some things. She added some.
Oh, he got off of
The draft I completed. Is there a way you can get the final document so I can be sure?
Is it not drawn at the bottom?
I had sent it to her and she added some.
Oh, she'll have to send it.
she has to get it and send,
Yeah,
she has
she'll
to
have
get
to
it from the
send it back.
bottom. Okay, let me,
Yeah, she can send it back to you.
Hey, did she send it back?
No, it'll pop up here. It does.
Oh,
I put the things that were missing, Mr. Lawrence, on the bottom.
Refresh it, Jack.
No, I didn't send it back to him. I just added them to the bottom on the plea paperwork.
I want to see them if you can.
Okay, I'll send it back.
Mr. LeBlanc,
Judge,
are you able to, is your client called in or I can't?
I had him on speakerphone, but evidently then when I did that, you couldn't hear me.
Oh, so he's on the same device that you on Zoom?
No, Judge, he's in Bryan, Texas. But when I had him on speakerphone on my phone, yes, on the same device, he was on my phone. But then I couldn't hear you.
Oh, let me, hold on a minute.